Welcome to NCERT Class 5, Chapter 7, Can You See the Pattern? Part 1. Isha, your skirt is beautiful. My mother made this pattern. I have seen the same block making a different pattern on a kurta. How was it different? So children, here two friends are talking about the design in the kurta. Isha says that her pattern is very beautiful. So what does she say back, Isha? Isha says that her mother has made this pattern. So these are the patterns, ma. You have studied in your 3rd, 4th and 5th classes also. So no patterns. Now, and she says that she has seen the same design but different pattern. So she asks, how different is it? And in your skirt, the rule of the pattern is one up, one down. Then this is repeated. So how is the rule of a pattern? See how is the block created? This is up, this is down. Up, down. One up, down. So design is followed in the manner that once faced up, then faced down, and the same it is continued. But in my brother's kurta, it is once up, then takes 1/4 turn every time. The rule is to repeat it with a 1/4 clockwise turn. So, what is she saying here, children? She is saying that the same design his brother is having, in which it is 1/4. Her design was up, down. Yes or no? Once up, once down. But her brother's design is 1/4 clockwise turn. So first let's learn what is clockwise. Clockwise means how does a clock rotate? Like this. Yes or no? The clock rotates like this. So this is clockwise turn. And if we go in this way, in the opposite direction, then it becomes anti-clockwise. Understood, children? If we go like this, it is clockwise, and if we go opposite, then it is anti-clockwise. Understood? So, and 1/4 turn. In already last units we have learned what is 1/4 turn. If this is here and it comes to here, then this is 1/4 turn. From here to here it takes turn, then it is 1/4 turn. Yes or no, children? Now, so see the pattern how it is. Here it is up. Then it has turned from here to here. So this is 1/4 turn. Then from here it will come till here. Then here. Then come to the same position, and the same will repeat again. Okay, children. Now use these two rules. What are the two rules? One up, one down rule, and then 1/4 turn rule. To make patterns with the block, with this flower block which is there, they are asking us to make it in that way. And also make your own rule also. Now I will show you the two rules, that is up and down. First this is up, so the next one will be down. Next again how it will be? Next it will be up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. So finally the pattern is like this, up, down. Understood, ma? This flower we have placed it up, and then you rotate it, it will come down, up, down. Understood, children? And the next rule, what was the next rule? 1/4 turn. So no, 1/4 turn, what happens? The flower from here has to turn to this side. Now let's see how is the 1/4 turn. Is this 1/4 turn? Yes. Next 1/4 turn, if it takes, what will happen? It has to come down. The leaves will be like this, and the flower will come down. Next again this side. Next again up, and the same pattern follows. Understood, children? Now turns and patterns, page number 100. Look at this block. See here, one block is given for you. We make 3 different rules to turn it clockwise and see the patterns. Now they are saying that they are making 3 different rules. Now let's see the first one. Repeat it with a 1/4 turn. Already we have seen what is 1/4 turn, turning from this side to this side. If the flower is facing here, it turns from that side to this side, then it will become a 1/4 turn. Now let's see the 1/4 turn. Yes, understood? Now again 1/4 turn, let's see. This is the image is like this. Now if I make it 1/4 turn, it will face down. Again 1/4 turn, it will go to this side. Again 1/4 turn, it will go to up. Understood? Did we came to the same pattern? Yes. Now again 1/4 turn means it will repeat similarly. Next, repeat it with a 1/2 turn. Now we are repeating with a 1/2 turn. Half turn means how we will do the half turn? If it is here, it has to rotate from here to here. Understood? 1/2. See, for example, how many directions are here? 1, 2, 3, 4 are there. 1/4 means from here it is coming here. Similarly, half means if it comes from here to here. So this is second point. 2/4. 2/4 means 1/2. Again, if I come till here, then it is 3/4. Understood? Now 1/2 turn. I'll take the same image, rotate it for a half a turn. Then what we are getting? It is facing downwards. Again 1/2 turn. It will face upwards. So similarly it will go up, down, up, down. See, I'll rotate it 1/2 turn. Again it will go up. So what will get? Up and down. Now repeat it with 3/4 turn. Just now I told you 3/4 turn means here 1/4. If I turn till here, half. If I turn till here, it is 3/4 turn. So let's do the 3/4 turn. Yes. Now again if I make 3/4 turn, where it will be? Because you can count and see 1, 2, 3. So it has to face downwards. Now it's here. So let's see before doing the rotation 1, 2, 3. So the flower will face this side. Now let's see that. Yes, understood children? Now again if we do the 3/4 turn, the flower will face upwards. Oh, practice time, page number 100. What should come next? So now they are asking what should come next. First the line is slanting, yes, like this, and then the line came to the center, and then the line slanted this side. Here it slanted till here. One second children. Here it was, then it became like this, then it became like this. Accordingly the circle is also rotating. So then what will be the next turn? Tell me, what will be the next turn? The next turn will be, it will become a sleeping line, and again the next turn will be, it will turn slanting. Understood children? And this is 45-degree turn. Now what turn is this? 45-degree turn. Now next one, this is n is upwards, again n is sleeping, n is upwards. So then again n will be sleeping position, again n will be upward position. Okay. Now next one, here the triangle, the 4 dots are here, and then we turned in such a way that the 4 dots is coming this side. Then we turned the 4 dots to this side. So again the 4 dots will be this side only. Understood? The same one will get. Again the same one will be repeated. Next one, here this diamond is here, it is rotating till here. Yes or no? 1/4 turn. And again from here to here. So the next one will be from here to this side. Again from this side to this side. Okay children, understood? Practice time, page number 101. See this pattern. So here, see how is the pattern? F is like this, then it became slanting, then sleeping, again slanting. The same thing which you saw before, yes or no? The rule of this pattern is turning by 45 degrees. So how many degrees they are turning this? 45 degrees each time. Which will be the next? Tick the right one. So now they are asking us which will be the next. See, I'll show you how the 45 turn will be there. This is the original position. Yes or no? This F is the original position. If I give 45 degree, see, did I get the same thing? Again I am giving a 45 degree, same pick I am taking and doing the 45 degree, it coming sleeping position. Again 45 degree, slanting position. So easily you can say the next 45 degree will be, yes, understood? We have about turned the F. So which is correct? This one is correct. Practice time, page number 101. Using the same rule, take it forward till you get back to what you started with. Means same 45 degree rule we have to continue till we get the starting one. What was the starting alphabet or object, whatever it was, the same thing till we get it. Okay. Now L is like this, and then L is slanting. Now from slanting L it will turn to exactly like 1/4 position it will turn. Next again from there 45-degree turn. Again 45-degree turn means exactly about turn it will be. Again 45-degree, little bit slanting, then again 45-degree sleeping, again 45-degree slanting up, again 45-degree same L position. Did we come back to same? Yes. From where we started did we come? So we can stop here. Now let's see the next one. P. Letter P is given. Slanting position. From slanting position it will come to the sleeping position. From sleeping position to again down slanting position. Again the down position. Next is this. The next it will be the sleeping position, and next it will be slanting, and then we will get the exact one which we have started with. Okay, children. Now, some patterns are given below on the left side of the red line. Some patterns are given on the left side of the red line. For each pattern, write the rule. Here we have to write the rule like we have written before 45-degree and all. So, like this, what rule is this pattern following? We have to write it here. Then choose what comes next from the right side of the line and tick it. And then we have to choose which comes next and tick it in the right side. So, let us see it one by one. Okay. This is what the pattern given, this is the pattern given, and this we have to choose which is the correct one. So, what is the rule here, ma? It's here, it's slanting this side, then sleeping. So, this is 45 degrees which we did earlier. So, this is the position now. I will turn it to 45 degrees and show you. So, which is the one we are getting? This one. Understood? So, rule is turn by 45 degrees, and which is the next position we will be getting? This position. Now, next this one. So, first we have to see what is the rule. Rule is 90-degree, that is 1/4 turn. So, how will get it if I consider only these lines, ma'am? Okay, this is orange and this is blue. I am considering these two lines, and exactly is coming turning this side. Orange is this, blue is this. So, from here the line is coming here till here means it is 1/4 turn. This also we saw earlier. So, what is the rule? Again this is turning from this side to here. Again these two are turning from this side to this side. So, what is the rule? 90-degree, that is 1/4 turn. So, I will take this image. Okay. Now, I will make a 1/4 turn for this and see what I am getting. Yes. Understood how we are getting this? So, I will put a tick mark for that one. Now, next C bit. So, first it is like this, then it got turned like this, then again it got turned like this. So, what is the rule? Rule is turn by 90 degrees, that is 1/4 turn. So, no, because here it is. So, no, here it is. We are rotating from here till here. So, that is 1/4 turn. Again from here we are rotating from here to here. So, then again it is 1/4 turn. Understood, children? So, now let us see the rotation. The image I have taken. Now, I will do 1/4 turn. See how it is turning. So, which is the correct image? This one. Understood? Now, the last one. So, the shape is like this. Yes. Again it is changing like this. Again it is changing like this. Again it is changing like this. So, what is the rule? It is turn only 90 degrees only. But how it is turning? So, you can see here, actually this is here, but again it has become to like this, means this has come this side, this has come this side. So, it is going anti-clockwise. Just now I told you, like this if we go it is clockwise. If we rotate in the opposite direction, then it is anti-clockwise. Understood? So, it is taking 90-degree turn only, but it is anti-clockwise. Now, it is like this. So, anti-clockwise means how it will become? Next it will come like this, the big one will come like this. Understood? Again anti-clockwise means like this it is, like this it will come. Again now we will do how it will be. Let me show you properly. So, this is the image here. Now, if I make an anti-clockwise, always remember the anti-clockwise, then which one I am getting? This one. Understood all of you? If you do practically this in the notebook, you will get it very easily. Okay children? Thank you. This is for the part 1. We'll continue in the next part. Thank you.